Well, we had to get a new clutch put in the truck. The old clutch, or the stock clutch, was slipping pretty bad, especially under heavy load, pulling the RV and stuff like that. So did a little bit of research, and I ended up going with a South Bend single disc clutch in the truck. And so far I've got about 215 miles on this clutch. From what I understand, the break-in period is 500 miles, I think. So far it's quieted down a good bit since it was first put in. The first day I drove it, I can tell you I wasn't super impressed with the way it sounded. It was pretty noisy. I don't know if the microphone's picking up the noise now. If I slow down, some of the gear roll over, you might be able to hear it. Let's see if kind of a grinding noise down there. It's better than it was. It's got a long way to go to be as quiet as the original clutch was, the stock clutch. As far as performance goes, it's not slipping, so that at least is a plus. So it's better than the old clutch was, the stock clutch. The clutch pedal is a good bit stiffer than the old one. Anybody that's got a South Bend clutch that I've found in my research, they all kind of said the same thing about the clutch pedal. So that's not really a surprise there so much, but I don't know. I'm hoping that it quiets down a little bit more in the next 300 miles or so. You know, maybe it'll get better. Up until today, the last couple of days that I drove it, I had a rattling sound. I don't know exactly what it was, if it was the throwout bearing or something inside there was rattling around a little bit. But that went away today. I haven't heard that yet today, so maybe that's just part of the break-in period. That's kind of what I'm hoping. So I guess what have we learned from here, or what can I suggest or recommend a South Bend clutch? Well, I'm going to leave that door open for right now. I don't want to say no. I don't want to beat South Bend clutch or anything. That's not what I'm trying to say here. I'm just, maybe this particular application in my truck, you know, the truck's got 60, almost 70,000 miles on it, and it's been pulling a 15,000 pound fifth wheel around for a while. And the previous owner, I don't know what he did to my truck or how he treated it. It only had 26,000 miles on when I got it, so if he treated it bad, he would have had to been pretty rough in those few miles that it did have. But I don't know that I would go as far to recommend a South Bend clutch just yet. I'll do an update video later on this summer when we take our trip out west, and I'm able to put some miles on the truck, and we'll see how the clutch is then. But so far, for right now, I guess it's better than it was. It's not slipping, so we'll just leave it at that for now. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next video.